Yes, I'm a man that journals, and my sense of masculinity is totally fine with that. And I really want to tell you about this notebook, which may be the perfect journaling companion you've been looking for. Hey friends, today I'm putting the Scribbles That Matter A5 dotted notebook to the test. Now, at around $35 per notebook, this isn't exactly a budget item. But if you're looking for a very nice notebook for your journaling and archiving needs, this product from Scribbles That Matter is a very nice choice. Okay, let's talk about first impressions. Unlike many other journals in this price category, the Scribbles That Matter comes in this nicely designed storage sleeve. If you plan on preserving your journal or notebook for a long time to come, a nice cardboard cover like this could be quite useful in that respect. Plus, it comes with this fancy black and white design, which many people will have a hard time resisting from coloring in. You could even color code your notebooks this way and see what they are from a distance while they sit on your shelf. The journal itself is stunning. We've got a nice soft touch vegan leather cover that feels absolutely premium. It's currently available in 13 different colors, and some front covers are just plain like this one, while others are covered in some cute ornamental designs. This one happens to have these nice little engraved dingbats on the back, along with the company name. You also notice that this notebook has these really nice rounded corners, which leave a great feel in the hand. But looks aren't everything, so I'm going to break down everything you need to know. Okay, so let's talk about what makes this journal special. First, paper quality. This notebook is available in two different paper weights, 120 GSM, which is ideal for light artwork, or 160 GSM for when you're feeling like a total creative genius and using that fountain pen with a liberal amount of ink being committed to each page. I should also mention that the page color of this particular notebook is very white. You can't really see any notable yellow tinge to it. But obviously, a big test of any high quality notebook is the bleed through test. So let's look at that first. As you can see here, I've used a few different types of pens, pencils, and markers. And as you see on the other side, there's almost no discernible bleed through whatsoever. It's really a testament to the thickness of each page. Next, I'm going to quickly use a few pens, markers, and pencils to see how the pages hold up. We're also going to do a smudge test. Smudge tests are often more of a sign of the quality of the pen you're using rather than the paper you're writing on. But let's put this notebook to the test nevertheless. Now, this notebook doesn't have any sort of perforated line on its pages near the spine, meaning that these pages aren't really meant to be torn out. But let's try to tear one out anyway and see how it does. Let's talk about the design features. First, there's a nice thick inside page that lets you personalize the notebook and add a start and end date. On the opposite side of the page is a key where you can add color codes for bullet journaling purposes. Next are 3 pages of an index you can fill out, followed by the rest of the pages in the notebook. You also notice that every page is numbered in the bottom corner, which is a great feature. And at the back, you have a page dedicated to testing your pens. And just for your information, this notebook basically has 152 blank pages. Then we move on to the back cover, where you'll see there is an expandable back pocket for adding notes or anything else that you rip out. It's a nice little touch with the doodles on the inside of the cover as well, which you could also color in. Looking at some of the exterior features, the notebook features 2 colored ribbon bookmarks, as well as a nice elastic pen loop for storing your paired pen. And finally, it includes a nice elastic closure to keep your notebook neatly closed while you're not using it or it's in transit in your bag or purse. The elastic is integrated into the cover, but, and this might be the only real letdown of this notebook, is that I found it to be a bit too loose for my liking. I wish it had just a bit of a tighter feel to it. Now, let's talk about the dot grid inside this book. Look at how beautiful this is. These 5mm dots that are perfectly shaded, they're not too intrusive and not too light. They're pretty great for guiding your journaling, sketching, or note keeping. So, who would I recommend this Scribbles That Matter notebook for? Anybody that wants to keep a journal, particularly those who enjoy the bullet journal method. Someone that cares about the way their notebooks or journals look while using it or while it's just simply sitting on your shelf. Planning enthusiasts, anyone that just loves beautiful stationery like this. If you're serious about journaling, the Scribbles That Matter A5 dotted journal isn't just a regular notebook, it's an experience. You have to sample it to really get what I'm talking about. If you want to grab your own, I'll leave a link in the description below this video. And if you want to let me know about your favorite journaling notebook, drop that in the comments for me to check out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stationery and gear reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.